This 2022 Heartland Big Country BC 3155 RLK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, external shower, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, slide-out, skylight, oven, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Big Country BC 3155 RLK is 12,255 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.